Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the gear. Charge the headphones to at least 50% and put them into pairing mode. Open the Sony Headphones Connect app you installed and allow Bluetooth and location when prompted so the app can discover devices. Once your model appears, tap it to pair. Make sure you accept any phone pairing dialogues. If the app asks to update firmware, postpone only if battery is low. This initial pairing creates the connection the rest of the guide depends on. Once paired, you move into customization to tailor sound and controls. Open noise canceling/ambient settings and slide to balance isolation versus awareness, because that determines how much outside sound you let in. Next, tap sound/equalizer to pick a preset or create a custom EQ. Save it so you can switch quickly. Then configure touch controls and quick attention so gestures match how you use calls and media. Make sure to test with us. To finish, enable advanced features like adaptive sound control, 360 reality audio, or DC depending on your model to improve clarity and context awareness. Then check for firmware updates and run them. Make sure headphones stay charged and close to the phone during the update. If playback stutters or controls fail, first restart both devices, then repair. If that fails, perform a factory reset following the model instructions. Troubleshooting tip: if pairing repeatedly fails, clear the app cache, reboot the phone, and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.